Yo, it's your boy Eric Aubrey checking in once again. And today we're going to be doing a video on how to do drop sets with your own body weight. And the reason that you want to know how to do drop sets with your own body weight is I've been getting a lot of questions on this one, but also it's one of the keys to actually getting gains while doing calisthenics. So I'm going to show you guys exactly what I mean right now with doing a drop set with your own body weight, because this is how you can basically get gains while maximizing muscle growth and eliminating a high potential of you getting injured if you were to, be in the gym with super heavy weight. You don't really need all that. So I'm gonna show you the first thing that I do. So the first thing that I do, let's say I'm doing pull-ups. I start with the pull-ups. So let's just do a few of these. Okay, so there's 10. A drop set could be you doing this, changing the angle, or let's say I want to do something like this. If you have one of these, come back over here. Yeah, what up? Let's get it. Okay. Yo, my drone is snapping right now. Okay. So this is how you're gonna do it. So you go like this. So this is the drop set from the pull-up. So you do like this until you can't do anymore. And then you do another drop set by changing your foot position like this. This actually lessens the resistance. It looks like a minor movement, but it lessens the resistance by like a lot. So you want to do as many of these as you can until you can't do anymore. And then you do one more drop set with changing the foot position to right here. Go like this, and then you sink down into it. So this is how you do a drop set for back day and doing pull-ups. This is how you maximize muscle growth just using your own body weight. So with that, pretty much done with this video. Hope that helped you guys out. You guys go get those gains. You guys have an amazing day, have an amazing life, and until next time, I'll see you guys soon.